In this episode of Gav Details, we are going to be applying a wheel coating to the freshly redone Camaro Z28 wheels. We will be using the Gtechniq C5 Wheel Armour. I've already gone ahead and removed any dust, dirt, debris that were on the wheels from the shop. I used the Wolfgang Uber rinseless wash. I made sure to use my sidekick blaster to remove any extra water from around the wheel weights or the lug nut holes or anything like that. You need to first remove any kind of fingerprints, oils, or we will be using the Wolfgang Perfect Finish paint prep surface. I'm going to be spraying it on the towel, not on the rim, because you don't want water droplets to get into crevices, and then when you turn the wheel over to do the face, it would then drip on your freshly coated surface or anything like that. Instructions for the Wheel Armour. Obviously you want to decontaminate your wheels, degrease all surfaces with a panel wipe, apply C5 Wheel Armour evenly on the applicator pad and set the bottle aside. You want to make sure to recap your bottle. Spread the coating over all surfaces on your rims. You can also coat the brake calipers because this product will withstand temperatures in excess of 300 degrees Celsius. After spreading the coating evenly over a single rim, wipe away any excess product with a clean microfiber towel. You may need a second cloth to make sure that all residues are fully removed, and then of course do not expose the vehicle or the wheels to the elements for at least 12 hours. So what comes in the box are obviously the instructions. You have your C5 Wheel Armour bottle like this, and there are 6 applicator pads. So you probably want to use one applicator pad per wheel. Now I'm going to be doing the barrel of the wheels and the face, so I'm going to do the barrel first, flip it over, do the face, and then I actually wanted to do this video inside the house, but the lighting isn't that great, and because the wheels are matte black, the lighting still coming through on the GoPro isn't that great, but you'll be able to get the idea. As you may have seen when I show the product, I'm wearing hand protection because you do not want to risk having the product dry on your hand. So we're going to open the bag here. You get a Gtechniq sticker. There are 2 sides to the applicator. One is kind of like a crosshatch area, and one is very smooth. So I'm going to use the smooth side so you get a little bit of traction with your fingers here. So, okay. Here we go. Place the cap, and we'll see how far this goes. The first person view, you can really see the product being applied to the surface, which is good. If you were doing like a silver wheel or just an aluminum alloy wheel, it might be a little bit more difficult to see, but you want to make sure that you get all areas covered. As you can see, I'm going around the edge, the lip first, and then this first inside area here, around the wheel weight. So I can tell the applicator is trying to get a little bit dry, so I'm going to add some more here. It has like a little dropper eye, replace the cap. There's no need to really rush this. Gotta make sure that you evenly coat all areas for best performance. I do have some videos showcasing inspection lights, so you can always get out your inspection light and inspect any areas for high spots. Once you're confident that all areas have been covered, you can go ahead and grab your microfiber towel and remove. You don't need to rub or buff heavily. You just want to level the product. You want to knock down any high spots. You know, you're not cleaning a dirty wheel where you really have to scrub or anything like that. Just a soft wipe. Remove any high spots. So, go with your light. Check for any high spots. Everything looks good. So we're going to go ahead and flip the wheel around and apply the coating to the face. So I guess this is the reveal of the wheels for the Camaro. Matte black center spokes and a gloss black lip. Very happy with the way they came out. I can't wait to get them back on the car, but let's coat the face. Okay, so I don't know how much of that I'm going to edit out, but you can see the wheel has been coated. Again, just a soft buff, as they say, and that's it. I have 3 more to go, and as you can see out of the bottle, I would say I haven't even used a quarter of it on one wheel, so you might be able to get 2 sets of wheels. These are 17-inch out of one container of C5 Wheel Armour from Gtechniq. So if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you found this helpful in applying a wheel coating, feel free to give it a thumbs up. If you like the new style wheels for the Camaro, give the video a thumbs up. And for more detailing videos, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks.